Hi guys. It's today is Friday. We dropped my mother-in-law to the dialysis and I get home. Have some Dunkin' Donut breakfast, big and toasted, and I'm just, while I'm watching the Pinoy talk show like Chris TV. If you Filipino, you know what I'm talking about. And while I'm doing that, I'm just doing this. Oh, hold on, my husband is calling. Hello? Hi. What? Okay. Okay, we have that in the drawer here, but okay, I'll take it out. No, 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 it's not in the freezer, in the stairs, where is not the drawer, cabinet. I think the garlic only, the onion, I have to go downstairs. Okay. So what are you doing? Is it traffic now? Where are you? Oh, you're in Manhattan already. Oh. Okie dokie. Oh, they're both in the tower right now, sleeping. Yeah. Maybe he's lonely upstairs. Yeah. Why? Mommy is down here. Hi, sorry about that. My husband called me and telling me to get something from the basement. Ay, ay, ay. I just try to do my daily exercise. But anyway, guys, I'll see you later because I have to do my exercise before I go to pick my mother-in-law. So. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna watch Ikaw Lamang. Bye! Bye! I'm walking to pick up my mother-in-law right now. I'll show you the place when I'm walking. This is my routine every other day. I'm going to walk to pick up my mother-in-law. But it's not really that far. It's close. So I just walk. It's a good exercise to do this. But sometimes I take a cab. Hi guys, I'm here. It's really tiring when you're walking under the sun. So I'm here. I'll see you when we get home. Hi, we're home. No, we've been home. We've been home already here for a while, and I have a really bad headache. I have a really bad headache, and right now I'm just. I will try to get rid of my headache, but no, I don't know how to get rid of my headache. headache is getting worse, and I'm planning to cook something, and I cut some stuff already for dinner, and lying down here, and then the cat's here. I just play with her. I just play with her. She's fun to be with. Alright, Dimples. Her name is Dimples. She's cute. She's a mama's girl too. So that's what happened here, guys. It's just nothing really. Hi guys, good night. I'm ready to go to bed, and I can't see you guys. The light is in my eyes. It's in my eyes now. Just kidding. I put the flashlight in my camera, in my cell phone, that you guys can see me better. You can see my pores. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much. And I have 17 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing me, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Good night.